Body physically sexy. Something steady.
It said body's physically sexy. I guess you can be sexy in other ways. You can be emotionally sexy. You can be spiritually sexy. But isn't sexy just physical at the end of the day? Oh shit, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mana, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. This is the third track now off of the Made in Lagos Deluxe album. This one's called Steady. Doesn't have any feature by the looks of things. I'm curious where this one's gonna go. At least, well, I can make a good prediction how this one's gonna sound and how this one's gonna feel, and I know what emotion is gonna get out of this one. I'm predicting it's gonna tap into the Made in Lagos mood and atmosphere. Let's go. This one's called Steady. Let's go. No, is WizKid gonna surprise us here? Nope, it's not. It's very, very soulful, man. Oh, that jazzy element. Let's go. Hey, that's sax again.
I want time with you, girl. You're moving it slow, you know. You're moving it slow, you know. That's why I just want more. I can never ever lie. Girl, you look like my type.
I love that DJ scratch element there. That was
you know.
good.
You're moving it slow, you know. That's why I just want more. I can never ever lie.
Come on, transition.
You look like my type of
Hey, you look like my type of fire. Okay.
Physically sexy.
Oh,
Something steady.
it's so sensual, man. That's what Wiz is going for.
That's my baby. The girl I miss.
Wiz made this album for the ladies, man. Wiz definitely made this album for the ladies. Very, very sensual records. It all feels like baby making music, man. It does feel like that, man.
Body physically sexy. Something steady.
It said body's physically sexy. I guess you can be sexy in other ways. You can be emotionally sexy. You can be spiritually sexy. But isn't sexy just physical at the end of the day? Hey, look, I'm not trying to like psychoanalyze WizKid because that would be absolutely pointless. WizKid is not, at least from the songs, like he's not trying to portray you as the most thought-provoking lyricist. I mean, he can be a lyricist if he wants to. I still think some of the strong writing was on songs like Smile. I could appreciate his verses on Smile. I think those were strong, very substantive, like portrayal of love and joy. He did that as well. He has songs that he can be lyrical, but there's some things about, like, I mean, some of his lines are laughable sometimes, you know, like yeah, physically sexy, like that's funny.
Body physically sexy. Something steady.
How many, like, I don't know how for that line too much, but it said body's physically sexy. How else can your body? Let's move on.
Smooth like a 5-star lady.
Hey,
that's my baby.
Smooth like a 5-star lady. Is that Amore? Please tell me that's Amore. Is it Amore? Amore belongs on this album, I'm not gonna lie. He better have Amore on. I love that background sample that he had. Again, it sounded like Amore. It would be nice and lovely to have Amore on this. I think she would fit very well on this song because these songs are very sensual, and that's her space, that's her atmosphere, man. Who's this? Yo, Wiz has tapped into a nerve with this album, man. He has found a pocket, man.
She won't start something, baby, all I need from my baby.
Oh, you can just slow dance to this, man. Hey, it's wavy, man. I'm gonna lie. Hey. Oh, not the sax. Hey. Very sensual atmosphere here. again, very, very central atmosphere here. It definitely taps into the vein that the album was screaming about, and knocking into our heads. Very soulful, also had jazzy elements as well. Not done jazzy, but like jazz elements, with the sax, with the beautiful sax. And again, WizKid with his verses, making it feel like it's not something you want to like lean into to pay attention. He just feel, again, if it all feels like this is meant to be an ambient space, like in the background. It's probably putting you in a sleep, like not to say in a bad way, but putting you in a sleepy mood, a calmer mood, very therapeutic. That's the vibe that we're getting on this one, and it still stays within the range of what the album offers you, and I liked it. I liked it for that, for being an element into the album. Big picture wise, it fits in there, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. This was Steady by WizKid. Let me know what you guys think about all the 3 songs that were out so far. Which one stands out for you? I think the obvious would be Mood with Buju. I think it would be, but yeah, let me know what you guys felt about all those 3 songs and leave in the comment section. I've been your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Check out the rest of the content here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.